Aiden holds a very special place in my heart. He just had this beautiful skin. So when his acne started, I just assumed it was hormonal. Maybe he wasn't washing his face. Maybe he was eating too much junk food. I tried to get him to become a little bit more responsible about what he's eating and getting him different products to use on his face. It wasn't working. It was just kind of getting a little bit worse. So we started him on getting some facials and changing up his products. That wasn't really working. And that's when I started to take him to Dr. Muradzadeh, and we started to do some treatments on him, different lasers, different creams, antibiotics, and it was just getting worse and worse and worse. And it was heartbreaking. All I could think of is what happened to this beautiful glowy skin, and it really broke my heart to see him going into high school and having to deal with acne. Dr. Muradzadeh said Cutera is coming up with this new treatment, and I think this is going to be the treatment for him. When he explained it to me, I'm a dentist, I kind of understand things a little bit. It just made sense. You want to get down deep into the sebaceous glands, because I could see that it wasn't what he was eating or not eating. It wasn't whether he was, not washing his face or not. It was something from deep inside of his skin. I remember the first treatment that he had, and about an hour afterwards, we were at lunch, and I was looking at his face, and his skin was glowing already. It was kind of shocking. I kept thinking, am I reading too much into this? He just did his third treatment. There's a huge change in him. I already see it, and I'm thrilled with the results. I wish this was available 2 years ago. He suffered for 2 years for no reason. And honestly, we spent a lot of money on treatments that didn't work. Why would you want to give your kids medication, and at the end of the day, you don't know whether it's going to work or not, or whether it's long term? This was simple. I don't see why people wouldn't do it. It's your children. We put braces on kids if their teeth are, crooked. We put glasses on them if their eyesight is not well. We do lots of things for our kids. This is just one other thing.